Hello, welcome to Wednesdays with Weingartz. I'm Ron Weingartz. Today, I'm here to talk about the STIHL Battery Powered Chainsaws. They offer two series, the AK series and the AP series, with different models in each series. Let me start with the AK series. So this is designed for the occasional user, but don't be fooled, this has got a lot of power and performance, so you can still do a lot of work with this little saw. Make different models. This is the smallest one. This has a 12-inch bar and chain. And what's nice, this comes in weighing with the battery under 9 pounds. So it's very light, so it's not going to wear you out when you're out using it. Like all STIHL saws, they have the chain brake for safety. And what's a nice feature on this, all the battery-powered saws have the quick chain adjuster. So to adjust your bar and chain, you just loosen this up, and you have your thumb screw to tighten your chain, and then just clamp it back down. So there's no tools needed to adjust that bar and chain. I mentioned this is powered by the AK series battery platform. So this battery would be the same batteries used on other AK tools, like whether you have a string trimmer, blower. So what's nice, if you have some of those other tools, you also get other extra batteries, so you're going to have plenty of batteries to tackle a lot of work. The batteries come out very easily to take in for charging, and all the STIHL batteries have a little push button that tells you how much charge is left, so before you head out to get the job done, you can see how much battery you have. They also do have a safety trigger lock, so you do have to push in on the trigger before squeezing, squeeze in on the knob before squeezing the trigger. And then just your bar and chain oil. There's no gas, so you do have to remember you still need to put a lubricant in for the bar and chain oil. We recommend a bar and chain oil, not a motor oil. Bar and chain oil has tack, so it's going to stick to that chain better than a motor oil would. And then the other thing with the batteries, also it's a good idea to leave them out just for additional safety. This next model up is the 140, so that's basically the same saw, comes with a 14-inch bar and chain. As we move into the AP series, this is a true professional grade saw, so this is for the arborist. So this, if you're a homeowner that has a firewood to cut, don't be fooled by this battery powered saw. It's got exceptional performance. So the AP series, designed for professional use, so it's going to give you much longer life for that heavy usage, and it also has more power and torque, so it's going to cut faster and just perform overall better than the AK series. And in this series, I should point out, the AK series are sold as a kit, so it comes, when you look at the price, they're priced with a battery and a charger. The AP series, because a lot of professionals already have batteries and chargers from other tools, those are all sold separately, so just watch when you go to look for those to make sure you understand you've got to buy those separate if you don't have them. And there's different batteries depending on your power requirement needs. So also what's nice with the AP series, as you go up to the 220 model, they move up from the quarter pitch to the 3/8 pitch chain, so this will cut faster. So this is true gas performance in this MSA 220 without the muss and fuss with that 2-cycle engine. So if you're looking for a battery powered saw, this is the world leader in chainsaws. They've got a great lineup of battery powered chainsaws as well. Thanks for listening today.
Weingartz, Weingartz,